The Llama Salt and Pepper set adds whimsy to your cooking and serving experience. Each Llama Salt and Pepper set is hand-painted. Fun house warming gift set packaged in acetate gift box. Made of durable ceramic. Hand washing is recommended. Look for more creative ideas for your home and kitchen from Boston Warehouse. The Boston Warehouse Llama Salt Pepper Shaker set is a perfect addition to your home and a wonderful gift for anyone. Enhance your kitchen and add a touch of whimsy with this adorable two-piece ceramic set. Each set is carefully hand-painted, so handwashing is recommended. Made of a lovely ceramic and packaged in a gift box for your convenience. Look for more creative ideas for your home and kitchen from Boston Warehouse. Top reviews from the United States. Adorable Christmas gifts. These are the best things I bought the entire Christmas season. Best gifts ever. They are adorable, come in a perfectly wrappable box, and my mom loved them. I would totally recommend. Ours came with a little chip on one of the llamas, but we didn't even care because they were so cute.